Hey there, how are you doing? Team Nokia Powers are here, and we welcome you all to this interesting video in which we will unbox the Nokia C3. Nokia C3 is the latest budget-minded smartphone from Nokia Mobile, and it belongs to the C series of Nokia smartphones. Nokia C series of smartphones are economical smartphones which come with Nokia's reliability and good amount of features, and these are ideal smartphones for those who want to switch from feature phones to smartphones. So like if you want to buy a new buy your first smartphone, you are a feature phone user, these will be the ideal kind of smartphones that you would like, because these are pretty reliable, have very good build quality, and still they come with good amount of features. So Nokia C3 is the latest from that particular C series. So I mean, if we compare from Nokia C1 and C2, this smartphone is supposed to be the like most premium in the C series. So let's quickly see. The first thing that I would like to show is this 1 year replacement guarantee. So basically in India, Nokia C3 comes with this guarantee. So if you have any issue, any manufacturing defect in 1 year, it can be replaced. So this is something that I wanted to show. And if I go to other details, so basically talking about the major specifications, the smartphones comes with, I mean, it comes running Android 10 out of the box. Then it has a 6-inch HD plus IPS display with 18:9 ratio. It has a 3040 mAh battery, which kind of a promise of 1 day battery life, one whole day, all day battery life kind of. Then it has got a fingerprint rear fingerprint sensor as well, which is good. Then it comes with 5 megapixel selfie camera and 8 megapixel rear camera with flash. It may perhaps have this Google Assistant dedicated button as well, which we will check. Now coming to other thing that I would like to show is uh, this is a made in India smartphone like other Nokia smartphones, which is good. And the model number that has been sent to us is TA1239. It's a dual SIM model with 3 GB RAM and 32 GB storage. Okay, now coming to unboxing part, let us quickly unbox it. Okay, oh, that's nice. So it looks like it's the sand color model of Nokia C3, which I really like. I like this color. And thanks Nokia Mobile for sending this review unit in sand color. It will be interesting to review this one. Now let's see what else is there in the package. So we have a charger. And what else we have here? Okay. Okay. So it seems the battery is outside. Okay. Okay, so it's a device that comes with removable battery, which is good or bad both. So while this shows that it's not a comes with unibody kind of design, but that good thing is that at least you can remove the battery if required easily. So most of the devices that we see nowadays don't come with uh, like removable battery, but here it is. So okay, so here it is. The whole package has got a charger, which is like it's a USB charger, and then I don't see a headphone here, which is surprising. So perhaps Nokia Mobile is not packing a headphone with Nokia C3. Anyways, now coming to, okay, so this is one nice pose of the whole unboxed stuff. Okay, now coming to the device itself. As I said, I like this sand color, which to me looks very, very nice. Okay, talking about the device, it's very thin. The first thing that I notice here is a very thin device. It looks really, really, like feels good to hold this device in your hand. Even if it's like it's not a, unibody design in that way that it has a removable battery, but still it feels very good in your hand. Okay. So on the back, you will see a rear camera with a flash. Then you have this fingerprint sensor. On the bottom, you see the USB port. Then you have a microphone here. On the top, you have this 3 headphone jack. You have volume rocker here, power button. And yes, as I mentioned, it does have a dedicated Google Assistant button, which can be used to invoke Google Assistant in one click of that button. Okay, and I think here you see the perhaps this is the speaker here, and we have the selfie camera here. Okay, so coming to how it feels. So as I said, it feels really good in your hand. It's a very slim device, thin device. So that is good, and it looks stylish. Talking about the, if we talk about how this back looks like, this back has a satin finish. It's neither matte nor very glossy. It has a satin finish, and it is not slippery at all. So it's not slippery, which will give a feeling of good hold if you hold this device in your hand. Now let's power it on. Okay, so it does not look like to be an Android one smartphone. It's right, rather powered by Android 10 only. Android 10 is the latest. I mean, it's not the latest, but still, I think most of the smartphones come with Android 10 only. Android had 11 has been released by Google, but it is has not been made, kind of commercially available on devices. But as per the promise from HMD, I think Nokia C3 will see two OS upgrades. So we want to just quickly see how the display looks like. So kind of the first hands-on experience for that. So this is now we are here. Okay. And display is bright. It appears to be good, quite good in brightness. Okay. It also comes with the same, white balance kind of display setting, which allows you to set the colors of the device, whether you want it to be warmer or cooler, whether you want more saturation or less saturation, which is a good thing. We will put it to dark to see how good the, like darks look like, how good the darks are, and it looks to be with coming with good dark levels, which kind of ensures that you will have a good experience when viewing pictures or like watching videos on the screen, because then colors pop out. Okay. So now this was our first hands-on experience with Nokia C3, and like this device looks interesting. It's quite, as I said, the design is nice. It looks good in your hand, and it's really the color is really good. It's very interesting color, the sand one. I'm like looking forward to play with this and play with the camera, put more reviews of different stuff, different aspects of the device, and then obviously I will come with a full review of the device. So stay tuned to nokiapowerizer.com and Nokia Powerizer YouTube channel for more. We will obviously bring the in-depth review of Nokia C3. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more.